This is a car carrier. It carries cars. Our car carrier has two platforms, one upper and one lower. This is the ramp that small cars use to drive onto the car carrier. Hello, blue bus. Do you want to come with us? Let's go! The car carrier is taking buses to the new highway. You can ride to there. Careful! Road repairs are underway. Crash! The tow truck will help us. It's orange. It has a platform. And a crane. Its cab has two doors. Let's go! The tow truck takes the bus to the mechanics. Repairs need to be finished. This is a roller. It has two steel drums. This is the driver. These drums are very heavy. The roller makes the surface flat. Done! This is a grader. It has a blade. a flashing beacon, and a wide body. The grader removes sand from the road. And washes it. The repairs are done. The blue bus can drive peacefully.